Introducing Upgrade Duo Super White, the versatile water-based food-grade epoxy coating. In this video, we will guide you through the easy application process of Upgrade Duo. Prepare the surface you wish to coat by cleaning it thoroughly, ensuring it is free from any dust, grease, or contaminants. Use white-based putty to fill the uneven surfaces before using a Duo coat on it. To begin, pour the desired amount of Duo epoxy coating chemicals into a clean mixing container. The Duo is specially formulated to be water-based, making it safe for food contact surfaces. Mix thoroughly until the color is evenly distributed. Upgrade Duo can be applied to a wide range of surfaces. Now it's time to apply Duo. Using a paint roller or brush, start by applying a thin and even coat to the surface. Work in sections to ensure complete coverage. Allow the first coat to dry according to the instructions given. Typically, it takes a few hours for Duo to dry completely. After the first coat has dried and cured, let's mix the second coat of Upgrade Duo with a colored pigment to apply the final coat to your surface. Once dry, you can apply a second coat for added durability and depth of color. Upgrade Duo is the perfect solution for transforming your surface into a space that combines style and functionality. Get your Duo water-based food-grade epoxy coating today.